Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to modify a rectangle in Photoshop. First of all, click Shape or press U. Shape mode and draw a rectangle. Hold Shift, fix size. Do not hold Shift, custom size. Okay, then height down, press Enter. Width up, press Enter. Okay, and click the fill color, change fill color yellow and use stroke color black. Change the stroke size, stroke style. Okay, and do not use fill, only stroke and use fill. I do not use stroke. Press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, modify. Click FX, blending options, click drop shadow, outer glow pattern overlay, gradient overlay, color, do not use stroke, stroke size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.